Good morning, fifth grade. Welcome to April. Today is April 1st, 2020. Um, it's a beautiful day. I'm excited to get outside and take a walk, I think, at lunch today. So I hope that you're going to get outside today too. A few things I wanted to let you know about. Let's see, I made myself a note so that I don't forget. First, I wanted to talk about Google Chat. Some of you have not checked in with me yet on Google Chat. Please make sure because that's the main place that I'm talking. It's a great resource because we can chat back and forth in real time. It doesn't take nearly as long as an email does. So make sure that you're checking in Google Chat. I've been leaving messages for a lot of you there, and some of you haven't gotten back to me. So if you're not sure how to access it, send me an email and I can send you directions. But everybody does need to be getting onto Google Chat. That being said, some of you are also overusing it when talking to other students. We've had complaints from other students, we've had complaints from parents. We've been monitoring how much you guys are using the Google Chat, and to be honest, and I've talked to some of you about this already, this is a school tool. Okay. Just like when we're in school, we don't spend all day just talking to each other. We don't spend all day on other things. You have work to do. Other people have work to do. You need to lay off the Google Chat a little bit. I understand that you're far apart and you want to be talking to each other, but on your Chromebook during school hours, school is what you need to be working on. Okay. So please pay attention to that. Um, Completing assignments. I have a lot of people going in and doing maybe part of what's posted, but not completing the posted assignments in their work each day. So what I've been doing, I've been going in and numbering. When you look in Google Classroom at the assignments, at the math assignment, at the literacy assignment, at the science assignment, the things I want you to do are going to be numbered. Please make sure that you're doing each of those numbered activities each day. I am looking for completion on all of those. Um, Also, make sure that you're listening to the read aloud. I haven't recorded today's read aloud yet, but I'm going to do that after this message. So that will be up for today as well. Things are getting kind of exciting in the book. Chase is, he seems to be changing a little bit from the person that he used to be. So it's been pretty interesting to read about. I'm really enjoying it. I hope that you guys are too. Um, and finally, today we're going to try something new. We're going to try out a Google Meet today. Um, so I think I'm going to plan it for 10 o'clock. It is not required, but if you are available and can make it, I would love to see your faces. I miss you guys so much. And I think that it would be really great for us to get online and be able to just see each other and say hello real quick. It's not going to be long. There's not going to be anything strenuous to do. I think I just want everybody to be able to say hello. And we'll take a look at that and see if that's a tool that we want to use sometimes in class. So at 10 o'clock, we'll plan to get on. About 5 minutes before that, I will send out an email link with the invitation on it. I have to figure out how to do that, so bear with me, but that is my plan. I will send you an email at about 9:55. Check your email, click on that link, and you'll be able to get into our Google Meet chat room. Um, do me a favor when you get in there, make sure that your microphone is muted. We'll go through and give everybody a chance to talk. So when it's your turn, you'll be able to talk. But I do want you to make sure that your microphone is muted, except when it's your turn, because otherwise the background noise from the house, or if you're coughing or singing to yourself, comes over the microphone and it makes it hard to hear the person whose turn it is to talk. So 10 o'clock, look for the link, mute your microphone except when it's your turn. Okay, I am so excited to see you guys today. So I hope you have a wonderful morning. And Google chat me if you have any questions. Lily already texted or chatted me this morning and let me know that the link for the science quiz wasn't working. So I think we got that fixed. Thank you, Lily, for that. Otherwise, I hope your things are going great, and I'll see you soon. Bye.